Hello viewers, today's video I will be talking about knowing your business. Tip number 3 from my top 10 tips on how to be successful in business. Stay tuned. Welcome to World of Niches 1. My name is Lady Juliet. A big hello to all my subscribers. Thank you all so much for finding the content of my channel worthy of your time. You're all awesome. You are truly appreciated. Thank you all so much for subscribing. If you're new to the channel, you're most welcome. I do hope you stick around. Please subscribe to the channel. If you find value in this video and in all the other videos I have uploaded here on the channel, please like the videos and leave your comments. I love to read your comments. So please leave your comments in the comment section below. Now without further ado, I'm gonna get right into today's video about knowing your business. Friends, you've heard about the saying that knowledge is power. Very much so in business. Knowledge is gold in business. Starting out in business is very much like starting out on a journey, a special type of journey. Entrepreneurship journey. Having very little or no knowledge at all about a journey you're about to embark on is foolhardy. Having an in-depth knowledge of your business is indicative of your preparedness to succeed in the business. It's imperative to have as much information about who your potential customers will be. Who are they? Who are your customers? Where do they live? Where can you find them online and offline? What are their habits? What age group are they? What types of jobs do they do? What drives them to spend their hard-earned money? These and many more information are all things you need to know before you start out in business. Good knowledge about your customers will help you to serve them better. If you are able to truly understand the mindset of your customers, this will save you a whole lot of energy, time, and money, which can be directed into other aspects of your business. This understanding of who your customers are, their habits, wants, and needs translates into effective advertising and marketing of your business. Your understanding of your customers and their mindset will help you to tailor your message and messaging so that your message will be specifically directed to your target audience. I will also like to mention that good understanding of your customers, their mindset, their habits, and just about everything you know about your customers and knowledge about your competitors will enhance your confidence as a business owner. Your enhanced confidence and knowledge translates into having customers who are assured and confident in buying from you. Are you a business owner? Do you have regular customers in your business? How well do you know your customers? Do you know why they buy from you? Please share with us in the comment section below. We live in a constantly changing world. So does human needs and wants change. Your customers' needs and wants will be subject to change or changes. You must be ready to adapt to changes in your customers' needs and wants. This will really help your business flourish. Studying and learning about the mindset of your potential customers is not the only knowledge you need to acquire when starting out in business. There is another learning that you must know about, and that is studying and learning about who your competitors are. Who are your competitors? How long have they been in the business? What are their strengths and weaknesses? How is their business run? Following your competitors on the various social media platforms, or you can even buy from them, are ways in which to know about who your competitors really are. You must know who your competitors are. These and many more information are all things you need to know before you start out in business. Knowing about your competitors challenges you to do even better, challenges you to give your business the very best that you can so that you can be on top of the game. I hope this makes some sense. Studying and learning about your customers should be a never-ending practice for you as a business owner. Friends, if you find value in this very short video clip in which I've been talking about knowing your business, please like the video, comment on the video. I love those comments. Let's keep that conversation going in the comment section below. Remember, friends, that life and living is not cheap. Stay on the hustle. I'll see you all in the next video. Best wishes always. Bye for now.